What's up guys, welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. I am here at the Outcasts Club Comp. It's the end of year function club comp. The guys are on the water, they're all starting to fish, and I've decided to come out and I want to try do the STB slam. So I'm going to start off with the little KVD crank that I got in the STB box, and yeah, see if that catches me anything and see if I can catch on all the baits. So hopefully you enjoy this video. First one. So first one on the crank, so STB marked off one. The other one I'm going to fish for the from the STB box is this the paddle tail, the cane thumper. Let's see if I get anything out of there. Alrighty, fish on. On the little crank, I've caught on the cane thumper with the hook, so that's 3 items down. So now I must just try on the others, so not too shabby. Next up I'm going to try that Z-Man on a drop shot, and let's see how that works. So guys, off camera, I just switched on the camera. I caught on the drop shot on that on the STB bait, the one from the Z-Man. So yeah, that's pretty much all the baits, only the craw that I haven't managed to get. So yeah, a little bit bummed on that. But I'll keep trying, Another small one. Another small one on the Z-Man bait. So guys, at the end of the day I forgot to make myself an outro, so here it goes. I managed to catch on 95% of the baits. The only bait I couldn't manage was that craw. Just didn't pick up anything on it, so but I think I did pretty well. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.